What's going on, family? Checking in. We're inside of the HogOn Cafe right now. Summing up some things. My guys are doing his thing with the sheetrock, finishing stuff off, getting things done and lined up properly to make it, look smooth. So he's doing his thing. So it's coming on along. Getting a few things done. I've been in here lining out the welding booth, so pretty much got it installed correctly like I want it for the moment. So I could be able to do a couple more things, but the concept is pretty much up there. So we still have a lot of stuff to put in, the sockets and stuff. So, and finishing this room, I got another piece of 4x8 to put on this side to close it. So when it's closed, everything will be completely sealed, and there'll be wood and insulation inside of this room too. So this room right here is going to be pretty insulated, because this is 3/4 plywood, plus I got 2-inch insulation behind it, and it's 2x4s. So got a lot going on right now. We just laying a few things out, getting the stuff done that we can get done. You know what I mean? So still got to cut holes in, so we plan on doing a lot of that. So we're just wrapping stuff up. So out here today, lining that out. Just wanted to give y'all a heads up on what we had accomplished today. It's supposed to be a decent day today before it start getting cold. So we're trying to get what we can get done before the weather changes up on us. We're in Oklahoma City, so this weather flip-flops. This is truly a bipolar environment, because it changes like unreal. So just wanted to give y'all some heads up, man. Things are going, we getting things done, one day at a time. It's coming along. So I'm thankful, I'm humble, most definitely humble. I'm just trying to get done what I can get done and finish up the container storefront. So we getting closer and closer. I would say right now we will probably be around 85%, 90% done. So we're around that range. So we're getting what we can get done today. Like I say, it's a good day, so we wanted to utilize the weather, because we had to do the mudding. So we brought a heater in there just in case, but it ain't that bad today. So we're glad the sun is actually out, so that way he can start doing the mud process. So just wanted to give y'all a heads up, man. We out here getting the hog on. Proper preparation prevents piss poor performance. So for those who are looking for shipping container conversions coming into 2021, check out our website, www.hogonwelding.com. That's www.hogonwelding.com. Like I say, check out what we got going on. Check out our social media platforms. It's HogOn Welding on all platforms. HogOn Welding on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. So I appreciate for those who've been following me on this project. Like I say, this has been a interesting project, because I moved to a new area, so I had to literally network this whole project. Find someone here, network someone here, find someone there. It's been challenging, but I'm glad that I went through the struggle, because it's almost over, and we'll be able to do a few things, which is getting a hog on, be able to have some products over talent. So that's the main thing. So that's what we're working on, man. So just want to give y'all a heads up on that. We're going to have some more gear coming soon. So for those who are looking for some gear, by the way, I know it's Christmas time. You might want to get someone a sweater or a hoodie or a long sleeve shirt. We have them available on Amazon Prime. You can just put in HogOn Welding. That's HOGON Welding on Amazon Prime or Amazon, and you should see all of our gear. We got sweaters, hoodies, t-shirts, pop sockets. We got some phone cases coming soon. So our goal is to have a few different things. Some hats coming soon too. We will actually have the hats and stuff going to be. A lot of stuff that won't be online will be inside the storefront, but my goal is to have everything inside of online and the storefront, like vice versa, so that way you can hit things that you need online to support or to get things to be a part of the movement, or you can come down and visit us. Right now we're in the Oklahoma City area, but we're planning to migrate to Atlanta, Georgia, around that area, in Georgia area next year. So stay in tune with us, keep following us. Remember the hashtags, Imagine Your Container, the hashtag Welding Hip Hop, Hashtag product over talent. So y'all be blessed. We'll be coming back to you shortly today, giving you a few more heads up, giving you a few more details on what we got done so far, the stuff we had to do to, you know, sum everything up. So that's what we're trying to do right now. So just wanted to give y'all a heads up, give you a little information. Keep following us, keep following us. It's coming soon. It's coming soon. So we're gonna continue to get our hog on. Like Phoenix, I'm out.